Okay, this is an exciting season that we're coming up into. A lot of us are going to be out in our cars, maybe more than we have been of late, doing some Christmas shopping, going to the grocery store, getting ready for Thanksgiving. A lot of fun, but a prime season for car accidents. Dr. Shawn Jones is here this morning from Chattanooga Wellness, who says, don't forget, if you do get hurt, you can come in and see
That's
him.
right. Hello, Julie.
Good
Thanks
to
for
see
having
you.
me.
Yeah, glad to have you here.
I try to get the Christmas spirit, little holiday
You're
colors.
looking festive. You are indeed. So you were telling me that when people have car accidents, very often you get whiplash or something like that, but they think that they can't come in and get chiropractic treatment.
Yeah,
Why?
here's a silly thing. You know, when you have comprehensive coverage in your auto insurance, there's a part of it that's called MedPay. Now, MedPay is overpriced health insurance. No problem. It's good to have it, but what it is, it's health insurance you can only use if you have a car accident and only for problems related to that accident. That's
Okay.
the restriction. So you have either $1,000, $5,000, or $10,000 worth of coverage, and they're charging like $30 a month for that. Think about it. For $300 a month, you get $3 million coverage of regular health insurance. So what are you really paying a higher premium for? It's MedPay. So here's the point. When you use your MedPay insurance, you're not going to raise your rates. It has nothing to do with your rates going up. So when you have an injury, you need to come to Chattanooga Wellness Centers because we do the best job at taking care of people that have been injured. We do a lot of that. And of course, you know about our K laser that we use, a class 4 laser. We use that on patients to decrease inflammation and pain. So come in and get evaluated if you've had a car accident because, you know, you think about it. Even a minor accident, whenever a car hits and your car does not collapse, 100% of the forces, the vectors of force, pass through your body and through your soft tissues and tear them. So a 30-mile-an-hour accident can cause as much or more damage than a 60-mile-an-hour accident because the car doesn't absorb it.
You have to be careful, though, right, Shawn, about not coming in to do anything too quickly because you need the body to heal a little bit if you've had like a whiplash situation. You don't want to get the treatment done too soon, do you?
Well, not necessarily, because what you don't want to do is wait 2 months, and now you have all these adhesions formed, and you have to try to break up the adhesions gently to try to get things to shift. If you come in right afterwards, we can decrease the inflammation, get rid of the fixation, and start to realign the spine so we can get rid of the nerve interference that's affecting your body. It can cause all kind of pain, but what people don't realize, when the nerve gets pinched with a subluxation caused by the trauma, it also can affect the organs that those nerves go to. Like all of a sudden now you've got constipation or diarrhea or menstrual problems or stomach problems or all kind of other issues. They have no idea it's related to the car accident.
Okay, you always have lots of things up your sleeve, so to speak. So you took out your little ChiroThin vial before we began going.
I'm on my ChiroThin diet plan. I was slowed down a little bit just by testing things for parties coming up, but I said, hey, no more testing. I'm on the ChiroThin plan. Last year during the holidays, I lost 37 pounds, and I'm doing it again this year.
So how does it work? Does it try to help you not have the cravings?
Yeah, the ChiroThin diet's only available at Chattanooga Wellness Centers, and you take this polypeptide, and what it does is it helps your body you're not hungry, and it helps it mobilize stuff. Now, one of the things that they teach in our nutrition seminars, because I do nutrition testing in the office, is to try to do a 14-hour fast every day. It's much easier. So basically 2 meals a day, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or lunch, dinner, you eat those 2 meals, and that way you got 14 hours for your whole digestive system to clean out.
Okay.
And so part of the diet plan, that's why I love this diet, it exactly follows what they teach us in nutrition training, that you need to go ahead and have a period of time. So you eat 2 meals a day, and you get salads, vegetables, meats, and fruit at each meal. And we guarantee you'll lose at least 20 pounds. You repeat the whole thing again if you do our premium plan that we include lipolaser with to help melt the fat and open up the fat cells faster.
Okay, so do you think that people are most benefited by this if there's someone who's been struggling with conventional weight loss plans?
Oh yeah, you know, here's the thing. If you just need to lose 20 pounds, you just do 1 round. If you need to lose 60 or 80 pounds, you might need to do 3 rounds. But we discount it down. Every time you have to do a round, we give you a huge discount each time that you do it, once you've already done it once with us.
Okay.
And so that way you can go through, and we measure you every week. You come in, we check your body fat percentage, we measure you, and I've got my cell number right there. You've got access to me 24/7 to text me, and if you got any questions about your diet plan.
Are you finding some people a bit unsure of how to handle things with COVID? I mean, how do you help people if they're afraid to come into the office?
Well, you know, that's a great question. Our thing is, look, we clean the tables between every patient like that. People can still wear their mask while they're on the table if they want to. You know, I think my own feeling is it's a lot of fear put out there, and you don't have to be afraid. Come in. You need the care. Come in and get the care. The good thing is patients that were coming in for neuropathy treatment, nutrition testing, they saw the results they get at Chattanooga Wellness Centers,
right,
and they kept coming. Some of the new patients held off. They've been holding off. Now they're starting to come back in. Don't be scared about getting COVID. Get into the office, get the care you need, and you're going to, you know, when you get adjusted after car accidents or anything else, it stimulates your immune system. That's the best way to boost your immune system, is to free up your nerve interference so the power that made your body can heal your body from inside out instead of taking drugs from outside in. And that's what chiropractic care is all about.
Okay, you threw me a curveball when you sat down today because I was expecting you to talk about the chirothin and some other things that you're doing medically in the office. I kind of got confused because Shawn sent a picture of a house.
Yeah, we've got a house over at 203 North Howell Avenue in Brainerd. It's a beautiful home. And understand something, we keep our fees low at Chattanooga Wellness. We got a $99 coupon. You can come in for 2 visits, and that includes your exam, 2 visits, and then we include, with our adjustments, we include vibration therapy and massage chair or massage table. So that's all included in it for a low fee every visit. So we want to make things affordable. Therefore, I have other streams of income because I don't charge a lot of money for people. Okay. And I'm a partner in a real estate investment company. So this house we had to rehab, and it's gorgeous. If you're looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, hey, we pay $5,000 of your closing costs for you with an accepted offer. Contact the realtor. Oh man, it's a beautiful house. And inside we restored the original hardwood floors. It's a lot of fun doing that, you know, and we put shiplap up in the kitchen, tiled the floors, tiled the bathroom. Oh, I love the bathroom. Look at those barn doors. Oh my goodness. Awesome barn doors. I love barn. I'm going to start using that every project I have. And in my own house, I'm going to put some barn doors in. They're just gorgeous.
All right, so you can get in touch with Shawn Jones at Chattanooga Wellness. He has 2 locations right here in Chattanooga on Brainerd Road, also in Cleveland. The address there on your screen.
That's
East
right.
Brainerd Road, rather, not Brainerd Road. If you go to nutritiontesting.com, you can find out more online. The phone number in Chattanooga, 643-2277. If you're up in Cleveland, that phone number is 790-5000. Thank you, Shawn Jones.
Thank you, Julie. Thanks for having me.